Yeah.
What's up guys, your boy Big D here, coming at you with another video. Happy Friday to you all. I hope you and your loved ones are okay. So I got these two boxes in the mail today. I ordered some pretty good stuff. I hope you like it. I flipped the boxes around to protect my identity and the identity of the seller. So I'm gonna make a quick pause. I'm gonna open up these boxes and see what we got, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you for your patience. The boxes were pretty easy to open, but you know, like I said, I don't own a tripod. It's pretty hard for me to try to cut the boxes open with one hand. So let's move on. So this one is a custom 68 Chevy. It's a regular mainline Redline. As you can see, very cool piece in a lime green. The interior appears to be chrome, which is the only drawback I see, but other than that, I love the paint job. I love the red tires, 5-spoke rims. It lacks a little detail on the tail lights as well as the front lights there, but you know, it's still a pretty cool piece. I'm glad I picked it up. Hope you guys like it too. Let me know what you guys think. I also picked up this variant here, the nice little mustard color. Same deal. It's got the chrome interior, which is the only drawback. Red light wheels, pretty cool. Lacks some detail on the back, but you know, that's to be expected. It's a regular mainline car, so can't really complain. These are going to be worth a pretty penny in a few years, so I'm very excited about that. Check this other one out. This is a 1969 Pontiac Firebird, also regular mainline Redline series. This is a magenta color, chrome interior, which kind of sucks, but oh well. The Redline tires, 5-spoke rims, plastic base, same as the other two. Plastic tires, lacks some detail on the headlights, but I like the little grille detail there, pretty cool. And as you can see, it also lacks some detail on the back there, but there you go. Nice and straight for you guys. But you know, still a pretty cool piece. So we'll watch the next one. We have a blue variant about that one. So red lined wheels, chrome interior. So there you go. No detail on the tail lights. Same deal here. But everything is really cool except for that interior. But you know, still worth having. Very cool. Alright guys, here's an oldie but goodie 2001 Hot Wheels Racing. This is from the Phoenix International Raceway team. Nice little hauler. This is part of a 10-piece treasure hunt set, as you can see here. This is number 9 of 10. I was not able to find the complete set, but I will eventually. I only found 2. I will be showing you the other one in a second, but I love the decals, love the color scheme, love the decals on the tires. It says Goodwill Eagle all around, pretty cool. Like the little Phoenix decal between the grille and the windshield, that's pretty cool. Check out the chrome exhaust pipes, gas tank, very nice. Let me know what you guys think. And here's the other one, also 2001 Hot Wheels Race Team. This is from the Darlington NASCAR tradition. This is number 2 of 10. As you can see, it's a treasure hunt. Pretty cool. This one also has the Goodyear Eagle tires all around. Pretty cool. Not too sure if the base is metal or plastic, but you know, it's pretty cool. I love the little checkered decals there. It says Darlington between the grill and the windshield. This one has a lot of detail, as you can see. It says rapid response. And that right there says too tough to train. And here we go. Darlington NASCAR tradition decal there. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, let's move it along. We have a 1963 T-Bird Super Treasure Hunt. So here we go. So there's a little TH right there. It's kind of hard to tell, but that's what it is. Hope you guys could see it. The T and then the H right below that. So that's pretty cool. Love the decals on this car all around. Nice little cream color. Very, very cool. This one also has a metal base, which is pretty exciting. Check out the Wheel Rider wheels, the white walls. Pretty cool. Now this is why I want to focus on on collecting the old Super Treasure Hunts. They're a lot more detailed. They're better built or constructed, whatever you want to say or call it. But you know, this, in my opinion, this is how Super Treasure Hunts should be made. You know, the new ones have the metal body, the Wheel Rider wheels, and then it's got the cheap plastic chassis, which is not cool. But anyways, check out the taillight detail. Pretty cool. And check that out. Pretty cool. Grill. Very, very nice. Let me know what you guys think. Next one up, we have the 1972 Ford Ranchero Super Treasure Hunt. Check that out, guys. It's got the 10-spoke chrome wheels. You can see the nice little TH there. There we go. Check out the gray interior. Very cool. Like the decals on the hood. Check out the grill. No headlight detail, but that's pretty cool. No worries there. Same deal on the back. No decals on the taillights, but it's okay. Metal base, Wheel Rider wheels. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. And I saved the last piece for last. So this is my very first Redline piece. This is a 1971 El Camino. There you go, guys. Love the black, red, and gold color scheme, as you can see. Redline wheels. It's got a gray interior, gray bed to match. Nice little number 1. Check out the hood. It's got the red flames. Check out the red ventilator there, or exhaust, whatever it is. Don't know too much about cars, so I apologize about that, guys. I'm not a mechanic, but I do like them. It's pretty cool. Very, very cool casting. Check out the decals on the back. Very, very nice detail. Very, very cool. You could even see the gold Chevy logo there. That's pretty cool. And let's check out the front here. Now this one has pretty cool detail. Check out the headlights. You can see the white paint over the headlights, so that's pretty cool. You can see the orange lights there on the side, so that's pretty cool. Very, very nice. This one did come in a protector. I just removed it out of the protector so that you guys can appreciate it up close. So, you know, I really appreciate the previous owner for taking care of all these cars. You know, I bought them from the same owner, so as you can see, they are all in very good condition. No damage on the cards, nothing. So I think I scored pretty good, and I got these at a pretty fair price. So anyways, guys, you guys have an excellent weekend. God bless. Take care. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Take care.
Yeah.